Welcome back to Techiraj YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you that how you can uninstall ilok license manager on your computer. So before getting further, I would like to request you, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and click on that bell icon so that you will receive all my latest updates. So now let's get started. The first thing you have to do is you have to go to your control panel. And then you have to select programs and then down uninstall a program. Click on the uninstall a program and then you have to search ilok license manager here, but you won't find in the name of ilok license manager, but the name will be different. Okay, name will start from the P. As you can see, pack license support. This is the installed of ilok license manager. Okay, you won't be finding on the name of ilok manager. So what you have to do is click and then right click on your mouse and then click uninstall. So after clicking uninstall, your pack license support will be uninstalled from your computer. This is how you can uninstall. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give one thumbs up and then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Till then, see you. Bye bye.